Everything is done for. We'd better give up. Let's make sure to dig a grave for her later, so that her noble sacrifice is never forgotten. It's all right. She might be gone, but she'll live on in our hearts. Yes, it's as though I can still hear her, meowing softly.
Now cut that out! Stop mourning. There is still time to save her. Don't you think you're giving up a little too soon?
We can't afford to miss this chance. We'll find my sister while they're distracted. Let's go!
Hold on. Don't you think we should at least try and rescue Inky first?
At a time like this? Seriously?
Well, I mean, we really should do something, don't you agree?
You are so annoying! Hey! I'd leave that cat alone if I were you, or you'll feel the wrath of my sister who was just waiting for it to fatten up a little. Bear witness to my projectile combat! Not good. I didn't realize they had a windshield enchantment.
They don't.